Meet Styles, Tilda's new tool that streamlines the design process and helps maintain visual consistency across your website. Say you've built a multi-page website and a few months later need to change heading sizes, colors and fonts, or update button styles. What used to take hours now takes just a few clicks with Styles. Styles is a unified styling system for your project. Define color, typography, and button styles for the entire website, apply them to elements, and edit them in one place. Any changes update automatically, whenever the style is applied. Every style is fully customizable. Adjust fonts, spacing, shadows, colors, and much more. You can also set different parameters for different screen sizes. When you tweak a setting, say font size, the change instantly appears across all pages that use that style. You can also export your custom styles as a file and import them into other projects. No need to set everything up from scratch. Try the new Styles tool now. Build and update your website faster.